Good afternoon, everybody. Geoff Hyland here with the Hyland Group. It's early November, and I just want to give you your October 2022 market update. So a couple notable changes that have occurred here recently. Our inventory did peak, like we talked about last month, and those numbers do continue to be coming down. So overall inventory in the marketplace is coming down. Interesting fact, did some research going back to pre-COVID market, if you will, 2019. There is actually on average for the last 3 months about 200 less homes on our overall market than we had in October of 2019. So from an overall perspective, our inventory numbers are still down compared to the last quote unquote normal market that we might have talked about in 2019. Now, demand is down a little bit as well. Comparing it to 2019. But when you look at the September, October, November numbers from 2019, there was about a 3-month supply that existed in our marketplace. Nobody was complaining. Life was going on. It was a good market for sellers. It was a good market for buyers. Now, what are we seeing? Last few months, we've been bouncing back and forth between a 2.75 to a 3-month supply of homes. And just remember, to give you some context, a normal real estate market by most experts is considered to be 5 to 7 month supply. So where are we at year over year? Let's take a look at that. Right now, our October pending sales were down from October of 2021 by about 27%. And compared to September of 2022, down about 11.85%. Now, we're seeing some great activity right now, and part of that is due to the fact that in spite of the Fed raising another 75 basis points, we're actually seeing some relief in the interest rates. So we're seeing an influx of activity from buyers right now. We've had some buyers locking in the mid-6 range. We have even some buyers locking in, getting some closing cost assistance for a couple of points and getting down as low as 5.99. So the rates seem like we're getting some relief right now, which is creating some fabulous opportunities for our buyers as well. So if you have any questions about that, please reach out. We have a great lending partner we'd love to refer you to, and you could get an idea as to what the rate might be for you. It does change on a daily basis. As far as the overall values in the marketplace, we talked last month about the anomaly in Prescott. Remember the 23 homes that sold over $1 million in 1 month? That led to some craziness in our charts. But really, when you take those numbers out, overall MLS last month, this is October 2022, the values fell, it looks like about 5% overall. Now, Prescott Valley stayed pretty level. Prescott, because of the volatility that existed, did show a 5% drop, plus or minus. Chino Valley, there was a couple anomalies in sales, similar to what we saw last month in Prescott, so that value spiked a little bit. I don't think that that's gonna be a trend that we're gonna see long term, but overall, there's still, buyers and sellers in the marketplace. We've got some relief in interest rates, and we're still transacting on a daily basis. If you have any questions at all, whether you're a buyer, whether you have questions about rates, whether you're a seller, curious what the home value is for your property right now, we'd love to hear from you. Please reach out. 928-237-4425 is my direct line. Happy to talk to you, answer any of your questions. Have a great day.